We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at our brand new 2021 Road Glide Special lineup. The first one we have in billiard red with black and the chrome detail. Next is our billiard teal. It's a beautiful color. Haven't seen one like this in a while. Going into the crimson. I believe they call it midnight crimson. And last but definitely not least is the snake venom with the big number 1. This one goes from purple to green. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check out the bikes, constantly getting new models, new colors in.